Hello students, today we learn about the profit and loss. Before starting with the topic profit and loss, we should know about some of the terms, that is cost price. What is cost price? The price at which an article is purchased. Okay, like shopkeeper is purchasing that article, so that price is known as the cost price for the shopkeeper. Okay, then the second term is selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called the selling price. Like shopkeeper is selling something, so that is the selling price for the shopkeeper, and the term we are using as SP, and for the cost price we are using CP. Okay, then comes the profit. When a shopkeeper is getting a profit, if selling price is greater than cost price, at whatever price he is purchasing the article, and then when he is selling them, if the selling price is more than the cost price, then he is getting a profit. That time the dealer is making the profit. And how much profit will be there? Profit will be equal to selling price minus cost price. Means the difference between the selling price and the cost price will be the profit for the shopkeeper. Then comes a term loss. If selling price is less than cost price, means when a shopkeeper is purchasing something and because of some of the reason he has to sell that article with a lesser price, then that time he will get a loss. And loss will be equal to how much? Cost price minus selling price. Okay. Now see the profit or loss percentage. How to calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100, and that will give you the profit percentage. And if you are having loss, so loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Okay. So whenever we are getting to calculate the profit or loss, always profit or loss percent will act on the cost price. You will not write here selling price. Okay. Now let's start the exercise 8.3. See very first question in this. Rohan bought a calculator for rupees 760 and sold it for rupees 874. Find the profit or loss percentage. Now see, to check for profit or loss, what the thing we have to see, which is greater. See, this is the cost price. Calculator is bought for rupees 760. So cost price is rupees 760 and it is sold. That is the selling price. Selling price is rupees 874. So from here we can see that selling price is greater than cost price, and when selling price is greater than cost price, so we are having profit. Profit will be equal to selling price minus cost price. Put the values. You are having selling price as rupees 874 minus 760. So subtract it down. How much you will get? 4, 1 and 1. 114 rupees profit you are having. But the question is asking for profit percent. And we know the formula. What is profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100%. Right? So we are having profit of 114 rupees. Cost price is rupees 760 multiplied by 100. So 0, 0 will get cancelled, and even by 2 you can cancel down. 2 5s are and 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. 38 into 3 is 114. So you got the answer as 3 and 5 is left. So we are having 3 5s are 15%. So Rohan is getting 15% profit. Okay. Now see the second question. Kirti bought a sari for rupees 2500 and sold it for rupees 2300. Find her loss or profit percent. Now see, she has bought for rupees 2500, so we are having cost price of rupees 2500 and sold it for rupees 2300. So selling price is 2300. Hence, we can see that selling price is less than cost price. Selling price is less than cost price. So she is having a loss. She is having a loss. And loss will be equal to how much? Loss will be equal to cost price minus selling price. Now put the value over here. Cost price is 2500 and selling price is 2300. Now see, the difference between 2500 and 2300 is how much? 200. So 200 loss she is bearing. They are also asking for the loss percent, and loss percent is equal to how much? Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP multiplied by 100%. So now put the value loss we are having here rupees 200 and cost price we are having as 2500 multiplied by 100%. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled, right? 25 8 is 200, so 8% loss she is bearing. Okay. Now see the fourth question. Rajendra bought one Almirah for rupees 4800 and other for rupees 3640. He sold first Almirah at a gain of 13 1/3% and the other at a loss of 15%. How much did he gain or loss in the whole deal? Now see, two cases we are having. First case means two Almirahs are there. In the first case, the cost price is given rupees 4800 and in this case he is getting a profit of 13 1/3%. Profit or gain is same thing, same terminology is there. Profit of 13 1/3% he is getting. If profit is 13 1/3% means profit amount if you want to calculate, so profit will be equal to 13 1/3% of 4800. So we can calculate how much is the profit amount. 13 1/3 means 13 3 is 39 plus 1 40/3. And if we remove the percentage symbol, so what will happen? 1 upon 100 will come. So we are having 40 upon 300 of 4800. These two can get cancelled. Even this can get cancelled. 3 1s are and 3 6s are is 18. 16 4s are is 64. So 640. 640 rupees he is getting a profit in this. If this much is the profit, then selling price will be equal to cost price plus profit. Okay. So we are having cost price as 4800 rupees and profit he is getting as 640. So what is the selling price we are having? Selling price for the first Almirah is 40 and 8 plus 6 is 14. So yeah, he is having the selling price as 5440. Now second case, in the second case the cost price is given rupees 3640 and he is bearing a loss. Loss is given how much? 15%. Loss percent is given 15%, so loss amount will be equal to 15% of 3640. That means 15 upon 100 multiplied by 3640. Right? So 0 and 0 will get cancelled by 5 3s are and 5 2s are, and you can go for the cancellation here. 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. 182 multiplied by 3. How much you will get? 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24 and 5. 546 is the loss. So if he is getting a loss, so selling price in this case will be equal to, selling price will be less than the cost price. So sell cost price minus loss. So cost price is 3640 minus 546. So subtract it down. How much you will get? Rupees. Selling price will be equal to 10 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 4, 13 minus 4 is 9, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 3. 3094 is the selling price. Now, in the whole transaction, whether he is getting a profit or loss. So for that we need to find the net cost price. What is the net cost price? Net cost price means the cost price he has got for both articles. So it will go for 4800 plus 3640. That will be equal to how much? 0443 8. So rupees 8,440 is the net CP. And what is the net SP he got? Net SP is the sum of both the selling price. Selling price for the first almirah is 5,440. 5,440 plus what is the selling price for the other almirah? That is 3,094. 3,094. That will be equal to how much? 4. 9 4 is 13. 5 and 8. So you can see here that this is the cost price. Net cost price is this much and net selling price is this much. So selling price again, net selling price is greater than cost price. Hence he is having a profit. And profit of how much he will get? That will be equal to selling price minus cost price. So you are having 8,534 minus 8,440. So subtract it down, how much amount he will get the profit as? 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. Yeah, 94 rupees. He is getting a profit of 94 rupees. Okay. Now, see the sixth question. By selling a fan for rupees 810, a dealer makes a profit of rupees 60. What is the cost price of the fan and what is his profit percent? Now, by selling is given, so selling price we are having. Selling price we are having as rupees 810 and profit he is getting as rupees 60. Right? Now we have to find the cost price. Cost price will be equal to how much? Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Because cost price is less than selling price. Right? When we are having the profit. So we are having rupees 810 minus 60 rupees. That will be equal to rupees how much? 750. So 750 is the cost price. Now they are asking for what is the profit percent. Profit percent is how much? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100%. So put the values. We are having profit percent as profit is 60 rupees and cost price we have got as 750. 750 multiplied by 100%. So what we are having here? 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 25 3s are, 25 4s are. And 3 2s are is 6. So we are left with 2 and 4 in the numerator and 2 4s are is 8. So 8% profit is having. Okay. Now see the second question. By selling a steel almirah for rupees 3,906, a manufacturer suffers a loss of rupees 294. Find the cost price of the almirah and its loss percent. Okay. Now we are having, by selling means selling price is given. Selling price of the almirah is given rupees 3,906 and loss he is getting of rupees 294, right? And now we need to find the cost price. When we are having the loss, in that time cost price is greater than selling price, right? So cost price will be equal to selling price plus loss. So we are having 3,906 plus 294. So add on these two. How much you get? 94 plus 600, 1, 9, 10, 2 and 4. Rupees 4,200 is the cost price and he has sold for rupees 3,906. So he has got the loss of this much rupees. And now we have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. So put the value. Loss he has got of rupees 294 upon cost price is 4,200 multiplied by 100%. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Both can be cancelled by 6. 6 7s are, and here you will get 6 4s are is 24 and then 9s are. And 49 and 7 is left, so you are left with 7. So he got a loss of 7%. 7% loss he got. Okay. Now see the 8th question. The cost price of a flower vase is given rupees 120. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%, find the price at which it was sold. Sorry, it was sold for how much price they are asking for. So we are having the cost price of the vase is rupees 120 and loss he is having a loss percent is given. He is getting a loss of 10%. Loss of 10% is getting means selling price will be equal to, or first we can calculate loss amount. Loss is of 10% means 10% of cost price. So 10% of 120 will go for how much? 12 rupees. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So you are getting 12 rupees. He is getting a loss of 12 rupees. If cost price is given 120 and loss is bearing of 12 rupees, so selling price will be equal to how much? Cost price minus loss. That means he is having the cost price of rupees 120 and loss of 12 rupees. So he has to sell, he was selling at rupees 108. So selling price of the vase is how much? Rupees 108. Okay. Thank you.